guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I want to read some article about BlockFi tops the ins 5,000 list with almost 250,000% revenue growth in the 3 years. The CFI's crypto lender faces a large fine, first headed by the SEC this year, and figures the car's crypto venture to come in as its Megan's number one revenue gainer. Its magazines as named BlockFi, the fastest growing company in the United States in 2022, at the top of the Magnus in 2022 list. In experiences 245% growth, a lead of more than 99,000% over the second place company, a platform for hiding nurses. The median growth rate was 230% across all 5,000 centuries. The insurance ranks companies by overall revenue growth over a 3 year period, according to the magazine. In the fast-moving world of crypto, 3 years in practically and puts and Brookfield LC's payment is especially notable over its number of dramatic turns for the company and the industry this year. A company article in its noticed the CEFI Crypto Financial Services company BlockFi started the year as a unicorn and talked with JP Morgan about going public. The $1,200 million fine the company paid to the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in U.S. states in February for alleged unauthorized securities sales was highlighted as at least partially good news, as it set the company on course to create the first CEC-regulated crypto products from their BlockFi interest account. But BlockFi has lost its unicorn status by mid-year, pulled down by the incipient's crypto venture. It laid off 20% of his 850 staff members just after Chelsea's first withdrawal, although BlockFi CEO founder Flory Marquez insisted to ins. This delay of was Spanish, and the timing was coincidental. The CEO founder, Jess Prince, had called the decision gut wrenches at the time. Genesis has less Blockfish 1B1 Celsius risk models. BlockFi announces a $250 million loan deal with activist US in July, and this deal was quickly upgraded to a $400 million revolving credit facility with an option to exert BlockFi as a variable price of up to $240 million to be considered for the ins of 500,000 list. A company has to file an application and pay a fee, which ranges from 195 to 245 this year, depending on the dates the application was submitted. How to store Bitcoin and MetaMask. Want to share in the success of your favorite artist? Now you can. Metaverse still not ready for virtual wedding and legal proceeding. Organization look toward multi-party competition to advance Web3. Borrowing to buy Bitcoin is its ever worth the risk. Hobby Global suspend derivative trading in New Zealand. They are about BlockFi tops the inch 5,000 list with almost 250,000% revenue growth in 3 years. Okay, that's enough for me. I'm sure for mistake. Don't forget to like. like, comment, share, and subscribe.